The Kriya Learning Studio is a pioneering concept for delivering 21st century skills to school children. It is an environment that provides the freedom and tools to help children apply concepts that they learn in classrooms for solving real-world problems. It includes carefully planned studio layouts inspired by design thinking, work surfaces that encourage collaboration, and a diverse manipulative set. This, coupled with a well-researched curriculum and classroom support, provide for a constructive learning experience. This 30-hour program per grade is available right from grade 1 up to grade 10 and is a true interdisciplinary blend of science, math, language, arts, and digital literacy. Kriya understands that divergence is the first step to creativity. An extensive range of high-precision manipulative sets allow a wide range of design and build solutions by different student groups. The list of manipulative sets provided also includes digital media equipment like audio, video. This comprehensive range of manipulative sets allows Kriya Learning to provide a blended program across STEM, digital media and arts, as well as life and leadership skills. Kriya Learning program's true strength is the research-driven curriculum built on constructivist pedagogy. The program takes children through a series of projects, challenges, and capstone projects, providing ample opportunities to apply their learning. Extensive journaling, along with the hands-on projects, ensure that children go through the phases of reflection, evaluation, and discovery. The journal books and other digital records of the project activities can serve as the portfolio, showcasing the kind of work children have done through their school years. Inputs from international experts in student-centric learning, experienced professionals from the Indian education industry, and those from the field of design thinking and brain research have gone into making this a robust, inquiry-based learning and a truly experiential learning program. Well, it's not just fun. We also have a very well-defined rubric system that measures the progress of each child on all the learning outcomes. It is simple to use and can be part of a comprehensive assessment system. So what is the verdict from the students?
What the most I enjoy Kriya class is the challenges, doing challenges. In that you need to add what you want, what you have done, how much have you learned. We get to test ourselves, how much have we learned and all that. That is the best part of the Kriya class I found till yet.
This whole class teaches us to be creative.
Which is the most important thing, which is teamwork. So that's brilliant. Educating, exciting, and awesome.
So we have the tools, the training, and the resources in place for an engaging learning experience. Kriya also trains the school teachers to become effective experiential educators of the 21st century. An extensive 120-hour training program spread across 4 years ensures the school is equipped for an engaging delivery of the Kriya program. Extensive lesson plans as well as video repositories are just some of the helpful tools provided as part of the support. Online and offline help and on-site Kriya coach support are also provided. Help is always available for a seamless implementation of the Kriya program to make it enriching for both the students and the teachers of your school. Let's hear it from the teachers themselves.
The one thing I would underline is the importance being given to integrating a lot of different skills together, which is not available in the typical programs that we see outside. So whether it is communication, whether it is divergent thinking, whether it is science and math or any other intelligence that we talk about, I think Kriya is a wonderful platform.
Having a great program is just the beginning at Kriya. We believe the implementation of the Kriya program, personalized to meet the needs of your school, is our biggest strength and differentiator. Let's hear it from some of the principals and trustees about our implementation.
What I realized about Kriya Learning members is they were highly professional and very organized, and the design for the curriculum that they had designed was actually beautifully done, which suited our school perfectly. So we could put it in the curriculum.
Kriya program में they think differently and creatively. They have given target, not the solutions. So they use even also they use all technology forms of cameras, internet and manipulatives to create new design.
Some of the schools where children are already benefiting from the Kriya Learning Studio are
Kriya is a program that is a confluence of 21st century skills, STEM and experiential learning. This is a unique combination that differentiates it and provides value for money for the school and the students.